Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover your Call of Duty mobile account. Alright, let's begin. First, open Call of Duty Mobile and you will be redirected to the login page. If you are unable to access your account, tap on the social media tile you originally used, such as Call of Duty, Facebook, or Google. For Call of Duty login, tap on Forgot Password and follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. If you signed in with Facebook, go to the Facebook login page and use the Forgot Password option to recover your credentials. If you used Google, your password might be saved in your Google account, so check your saved passwords under Google settings. However, keep in mind that guest account data cannot be recovered since it is stored locally on your device and not linked to any external account. So, that's basically how you can recover your Call of Duty mobile account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.